What's up, guys? Just getting into the shop this morning. Got some pretty big news, like biggest news I've had in a while. So following back, I don't know if I did a video and I don't think I did. I'll kind of insert some clips here and there.
Life is threatening us very.
If I can find them. The M3 blew up. So there's that. It dropped a valve on cylinder 1, hit it top the piston, messed a bunch of stuff up, all that good stuff. So this is my first track event with it. Not even really a track event, it's just a practice day at the track. Dynamic rented the track for the day, and we all went out there and just got some laps in. And the very last lap of the day, it happened. So there's that. With that being said, there was a lot going through my head trying to think of what to do. Like, it was pretty devastating to me. We just got the build going, just barely got it finished, and then all of a sudden it blew up. I sit for like 2-3 months before I did absolutely anything. I didn't want to do anything with it. I just wanted to get rid of it. At that point I was done because, like I said, we just finished building the motor because the motor blew up before after the supercharger the first time, so I was just completely done with it. But I sat back, took some time and kind of thought everything through, talked to all my friends, and just kind of got a little game plan together that I thought would be good for the M3 in general, of the things that I want to do with it, taking that into play and transferring from RC racing into the car racing and really getting involved in that. I was kind of thinking of what would be the right direction. Do we put a stock S54 back in the car? Do we put another built S54 back in the car? Do we keep the supercharger? Do we get rid of the supercharger? Do we go turbo? Do we just go straight NA motor with like CSL airbox and stuff? Or like, what is the best possible scenario here? S54s are good. I still don't have anything against them. I love them for what they are. Fanos, rod bearings, just some little things here and there, but they are great motors, don't get me wrong. Like, they make good power, they sound good, the individual throttle bodies are great. Like, I like the whole thing, but I just knew I didn't want to go back S54 just for the power to money ratio. It just wasn't there for me. So then, of course, you're probably thinking, oh, we began looking at swaps, and yes, we did. 2J ran through my mind first, just, of course, 2J, I mean, why not? But then the more I thought about that, the more I didn't want to do that as well, because that's also finicky in a way, not finicky. But the more I thought about it, the more I talked myself out of that one, and I just didn't go that route. I just didn't want to do it. And do a 2J, what would be next? LS swap. And started heavily looking into this topic. Like, I've had a CTSV. I love that. I love the sound of the LS makes, the cam and all that stuff. I knew they could make good power. I knew they were reliable. A little bit heavier, depending, it's a superior motor, but all in all, I started looking into those really heavily. I talked to some people about them, looked around Facebook Marketplace locally, find some used engines, see what I could find, then trans setups and this, and then I got completely overwhelmed, and I was like, all right, take a break. Took another like month off basically, and just kind of like did the RC stuff, just worked to the shop, and just took some time off with the car and just kind of just chilled, I guess, and came back to it and really started getting involved with that, and knew I had to do something, whether it was put a S54 back in the car, like just a stock one, and then sell it and then move on to another platform, because I didn't want to do another built S54. It's just a lot. So LS is still in the picture, still heavily in my head. I was thinking about it, I was pricing everything out, and it's very overwhelming at first, but the more I thought about it, the more I wanted to do it, and just how cool I thought it would be, and it's going to be a great thing to do for the M3. So needless to say, we're doing it. We are LS swapping the E46 M3. All the purists out there, go ahead and cringe and be mad. I'm LS swapping my Dinan S2 M3. Oh my God. That's what we're doing. Really excited to take you guys through this journey. I'm gonna try to vlog everything, take videos of the build process. Now, this is not a how-to. These coming up videos, they're not how-tos. They're Quaid's experience with friends of how we're doing it, and what we're doing. That's what it is. It's just me enjoying going through this and sharing it with you guys, just living. So hope you guys enjoy these little series coming up. Probably just gonna be a like 5-part series or whatever, however long it takes me. Like I said, we have parts coming in here and there, waiting on this, waiting on that, holiday time, and all the shipping delays and stuff. It's going back and forth. So with all that being said, just glad to bring you guys a part of this. Hope you guys really enjoy the series. It's going to be really good for the channel, and just really good in general. And then later on, after the swap is done and we're going through all this stuff, I'll include you in another surprise that I have coming up for next year. It's really big. I'm really excited. I've wanted to do it so long, and we're finally pulling everything together, pulling strings and making it happen, and kind of getting everything worked together in the background for it. So really excited for that. Hope you guys enjoyed this series, and I'll see you next time.